It's called the Isle of the Three Hills, but it actually has 31. From plateaus to hillocks, from small fortified gems to sprawling towns. But Gozo is also known for the blue waters that surround it, for the sandy beaches, for its pristine valleys with lovely hills flanking on both sides. And there is no better viewing balcony than this. Ramla Hamra, the bay christened by its own red sand. You can enjoy all this spectacular scenery and panorama as you travel with us. What you can't enjoy until you visit this magnificent place is the breath of northern wind that brings the freshness of Italian mountain ranges 1,000 kilometers in this direction with the salty flavor of the Mediterranean Sea, which stretches for 100 miles between this beach and Sicily. But today, we're not here to look at Sicily. Rather, we're here to see what the Maltese vernacular cuisine has to offer.
George, thank you for being here. And what's cooking today?
So, Valerie, today we'll be doing nettle gnudi.
Oh, what's that?
So actually it's naked nettle, which actually they are balls of ricotta and nettle with some sheep cheese in them. And will they make them like gnocchi style, but or like ravioli style, but without the dough.
The pastry outside. Let's start. Okay.
So here we have the nettle just boiled for some seconds.
Okay. Chopping it up.
We chop it up. We take the ricotta.
It's fresh ricotta from the Maltese Islands.
Of course. We put the nettle. And I'm bringing now some dried sheep cheese.
Okay, another local product.
Another local product now. So we're combining cow's milk
and sheep's.
And sheep's. This is a semi-dried, plain cheeselet.
In Maltese, we call it jbena.
Jbena. Pinch of nutmeg.
Okay, freshly grated.
Garlic.
Maltese garlic tends to have a very strong flavor too. Add the garlic. So it's a dryish mixture, but that's the way it should be.
Should be. Now, an egg.
No need to beat it up before. Just mix it in the whole mixture.
And now we will dry it a bit with the flour.
Okay. It already smells very nice from the addition of the jbena, the cheeselet.
So, sunflower.
Okay. More mixing.
Water is already boiling, we just need to salt it up. And we will prepare these tiny balls.
Okay. Using our hands.
Using our hands, the best thing. Just flour the board or make some parchment paper. And we'll start just dipping them.
Dipping them in for how long?
2-3 minutes.
Oh, that quick. Okay, so let's get going with the sauce.
So we have the butter here, we have the sage.
Oh, nice fresh sage. Smells so nice.
Just roughly cut.
Okay.
So we'll leave it just to melt the butter. In the meantime, I bring
another jbena.
Another jbena, but this one with the pepper.
A peppered one. And so our gnudi balls look ready.
Are ready. I'm just going to toss them in this butter and sage. Very careful because they are delicate.
What a lovely smell.
And here we bring
Ready to plate them. 1, 2. The smell is so lovely. 3.
Miku tree.
A little bit more sauce on the top. I
And-
can't wait to try them. Still missing the jbena.
Yes, of course. Definitely this will give them that kick needed. Here for you to taste.
Can't wait. Thank you, George. The smell is already divine.
Hope you enjoy it. You're
Let's see.
tasting some of the local ingredients. Cheeses, like we have 3 cheeses here combined together with some nettle, some nutmeg, some garlic. with some
Such a
sage and butter.
delicate flavor. So
Thank you.
creamy, so delicious, so Maltese.
The sheer beauty of Ramla Bay has long been exploited and appreciated. This mound hides the remains of a rich Roman villa. Discovered in the early 20th century, it had some 19 rooms left, some of them with indeed richly colored marble flooring. So, with this scrumptious cuisine and impressive location, we get to enjoy the best of both worlds.